This is my E400 wagon. This is the front to my E400 wagon. These are the things that I'm going to install on the front of my E400 wagon. So let's get started. So I am pretty under the weather, so I apologize about sniffling and sounding very nasally. Just have a pretty bad cold. But first we're going to start off with a couple microfiber wipes, some detailers, some rubbing alcohol, and then we're going to get these pieces installed onto there to give this a little bit more of an aggressive look. So this is an eBay purchase. I got these from China for like $60. There's much nicer versions if you want to spend $200-300 bucks, but I figured why not give it a shot. As you can see, they have like the double-sided tape in them already. They're gloss black finish, lots of double-sided tape, so lots of peeling for me to do on both sides. This piece surrounds the fog light surround right there, and then these little thinner pieces go over the flat black to give them a gloss back look. So it looks like they connect on the inside, so that's where I'll be focusing my cleaning, as well as a little bit right on the outer edge right there. Looks like it's a small one down here. So I think this attaches right there, and you'll see that this actually has grooves cut out for it right there as well. So if this was already on here, would this go? It looks like it would. So what I'm gonna do is install these first. Gonna hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Oh, slide that in first. Okay, now for the big piece. Now this has a lot of touch points, so this is going to take me a second to kind of undo, and I want to make sure I position this correctly. Okay, on to the next side. I might have to reinstall this one with better double-sided tape, because I repositioned this side too many times. This side too many times, and now it's kind of popping out. Overall, it does make it look a little bit more aggressive, especially from the sides. It looks like it's got some scoops. It's not like a, massive change, but I do think that it helps a little bit with the aggressiveness in the front. Next thing I need to do is black my grill out again. I hit some rocks and had to take off the plasti dip, so I'm gonna do it again, and hopefully the front end will look a little bit better. But let me know what you think. Stay tuned for more tips on how to eBay-ify your wagon. does have the Maxton logo smack in the middle. I'm not gonna take any of this stuff off until I get it on the car. So let's go get it on the car. First, I gotta remove this spoiler that I installed. Hopefully. Then we will test fit it. And it fits perfectly. Okay, it is on. It is very subtle, and I was right, this is off. It's not going anywhere.